Hey blessed babes, thank you for tuning in to another video. Today my client is getting a touch-up and a style. When I was filming this video, I didn't intend to film for YouTube. I only intended to film for Instagram and TikTok, but I did get the full-length video, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I achieved her touch-up and how I styled her locks. This is not going to be a full voiceover. This is really just going to be a look and watch. I do have previous videos that go into more detail on how I install and how I style. The style that I'm doing today, I've already done 2-strand twists, and I've already done, lock knots before. So if you want to get more, information on that, you can watch my previous videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this tutorial. Please comment below if you want me to do any other type of content, like any other type of videos. Please comment below if you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you learned from this video. And if you do intend on doing this styling yourself or on a client, please be sure to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, so that I can go ahead and repost you guys. Thank you, babes.
So per usual, when I'm doing touch-ups or installing locks, I typically use the Shining Jam gel, or I use the locked in gel. The only difference with the touch-up is instead of using a full piece of the Afro twist hair, I cut a small piece in half and I wrap over my client's new growth. I do tell my clients to wash their hair before they come to their appointment so that there isn't a ton of buildup when we go ahead and do the takedown. When doing a touch-up, you just want to make sure that you clean the parts as nice and crisp as possible. Add your product and just make sure that your client is still comfortable, not uncomfortable. Oh my God, why did I say uncomfortable? But anyways, you want to make sure that your client is comfortable. When it comes to doing the edges for touch-ups, what I started to do was, instead of touching up the very first part of the edges, I just undo it and I brush it into the lock that's behind it. That's just a little tip that I'm giving you guys so that you don't put too much tension on your client's edges when doing a touch-up. So with this style, we are going to be doing 2-strand twists in the back and on the sides, and a I don't know what you would call this bun. It's not a petal bun. It's kind of like a palm tree bun, I guess you could say. It's like a lock knot bun. So as you will see, I'm just doing a touch-up in the back, and I'm doing 2-strand twists with lock knots. I typically twist from the right over the left. You could twist over the left, from the left over the right. You can twist whichever way that you want to twist. That's just how I do it. Per usual, I fold the lock up on itself, and then I wrap down and secure with a black rubber band. And that is what you'll just see me doing. In the back, I am touching up her hair, doing a 2-strand twist as I go, and securing with the rubber band. I will be back when it is time to get into detail with the, I guess you could say, the lock knot bun, or the palm tree bun. I really don't know what I would call it. I don't know what I would call it, y'all. Please comment it down below so you can help me figure out what to call this bun when we get to that point.
Just skip the beat, yeah. This feeling
now that we are here in the front, I'm just cleaning up her parts as nice and crisp as possible. I did add a little bit of product, and you'll see me just, just cleaning up her parts and finishing up her touch-up and styling as I go. What I will say is when you're doing touch-ups, you, like, more than anything, want to make sure that you're cleaning up parts. You don't want to do a touch-up on locks and it looks sloppy, or it still looks like how it looked when they came in. The whole point of a touch-up is to give it that fresh retwist look, that fresh, fresh new install look. That's the whole point of a touch-up. Also, when you're doing your takedown, you need to remember that you've done a touch-up, or you need to have some type of system set in place when they book with you, so that you are informed that you did a touch-up, because taking down a touch-up is a little bit harder because you have to cut through 2 layers of hair that's wrapped around, and you really have to take your time so that you don't cut your client's hair. That's just another tip that I wanted to go ahead and give you guys. So for the next part of this clip, I will just be touching up her hair, and then the next clip I will be installing. So now it is time for installation. As you can see, I did the 2 strand twists in the back of her head. The front, I left out, I want to say 4 locks in the very front. So 2 on the right, 2 on the left. And then I pulled up a middle section of her hair, and I wrapped it around with locks to secure, and I used a bobby pin to secure it in place. And as you can see, with these lock knots, I'm basically folding. You can do about 2, depending on how full you want the bun. So you can do two locks, you can do 3 locks, you can do 4 locks. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half and twist from the top to the bottom and secure with the rubber band. And that is what you'll see me doing for the rest of this clip.
Just skip the beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got, just like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening.
Hey babes, now we are at the end of our video. This is our last lock knot. I'm making sure I go ahead and secure with the rubber band. As you can see, her style turned out beautifully. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for the next video.